Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about protein overload, which I am experiencing right now. As you can see, my hair is super frizzy and dry and nothing is working. So I think I did this to myself because I haven't been on top of remembering what I used the week before and then going in with a deep protein treatment, thinking that's going to fix my problem when all I needed was more moisture. But I didn't know how to do that because I thought I was adding more moisture with my leave-ins, but no, I was causing more dryness because it was high in coconut. Will you look at that? Isn't that crazy? Anyways, so I went back to basics and I did this pre-boo, and it has extra virgin olive oil, honey, and then I used this Giovanni tea tree conditioner, which does not have coconut or protein in it. So pick this up if you are having the same issues as me. This is the main ingredient here. After I put that on my dry hair, I shampooed my hair with a clarifying shampoo first, the Bumble one, and then a gentle shampoo, the Sham Moisture Kids one. Then I deep conditioned for 30 minutes minimum with a very, very moisturizing one. And then to style my hair, I used again the Giovanni Tea Tree conditioner, a little bit of that with my regular leave-in, the Curls Creme Brulee. Um, and just so it wasn't, just so I can ease back into protein in my hair, and then I added my regular gel. And I'm gonna put some music on right now so you guys can see this little process, and then I'm gonna talk about how I think I got here, how to prevent this, all that stuff. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so these are the results for today's video, and I wanted to talk about how I think I got here. So I think me not co-washing and pre-pooing my hair is what happened. And then also, I was refreshing my curls, reusing the products that I already styled my hair with. So I was adding more coconut and protein in my hair when it didn't need any more. And then not to be co-washing was crazy. I also experienced it when I was straightening my hair. I was going in with protein to prevent heat damage, but my hair already had enough protein from my curly hair products. So, big no no. To refresh my curls now, I made a little video of what I will be using: water, the Giovanni tea tree, and a little bit of gel. Then I will be alternating with shampoo once a week, a regular conditioner, the Giovanni tea tree one, and then the next week I'll use the smoothest silk, but I won't be doing any deep treatments unless my hair needs it. I will be alternating with my leave-ins. So I'll use the Curlsmith one week, and then I'll use the Curls Creme Brulee another week. The Camille Rose is another good one too, if you don't want a heavy coconutty one. I forget the name of it. I'll link it down below somewhere. But that is my little theory. If you guys have any tips for anyone else experiencing the same thing that happened to me, leave a comment down below. I think that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.